Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State has promised to rebuild all the police stations burnt during the EndSARS protest and provide other logistics to enhance the functions of the police. Makinde made the promise when he visited the headquarters of the police command in Eleyele, Oyo State. He urged the officers to put behind what had happened and go back to work so as not to allow criminal-minded individuals to take over the state.
The Commissioner of Police handed over to me a document when I met him just now, and it has all the requests from the Oyo State Command of the Nigerian Police Force, stations that have to be rebuilt, logistics that we have to take care of. I haven't read it's about 6 pages. I lived through it, I haven't read it, but even without reading it, I stand before you to say that everything listed in there for us to do is been accepted, and we will do it. The government has set up an initial 500 million naira fund. I made the announcement last week, and I want to say that the families of policemen in Oyo State who were killed will be part of those to be compensated from this initial 500 million naira fund. And I also want to say that may the souls of our departed colleagues, may their souls rest in peace. So we need your cooperation to ensure that arsonists, anarchists are brought to book. And I'm here to work with you to make the burden that you are carrying, to make it very light.
Also, the Deputy Inspector General of Police urged the officers not to be deterred by whatever happened.
We need to move forward. The issue is the functions and the statutory responsibilities of the police will never be given to any organization. And so we must rise up to the challenge. Police must go back and take its rightful place. News I want to hear is that you are making good recoveries and that Oyo State is calm. No person has the monopoly of knowledge. You share information vertically and horizontally with other sister agencies. We must appreciate the military are there, and we have to work together. Not only with the military, in terms of traffic control, Federal Safety Corps is there. All the other agencies will have one big family. We have to work together.
Earlier, the Commissioner of Police in the state said that the month of October was a sorrowful month not only for Oyo State but the entire police force.
October has come and gone. It was a bad month. It was a black month. It was a very sorrowful month, not just for your state, but for the entire federation. But that does not mean that life will not continue. We will have to put all that behind us and surge ahead. And be sure that today, being the first working day in the month of November, that we will do our level best to be sure that our state will continue to come as a state with one of the lowest records of crime. You should not be intimidated, and you cannot abdicate from your responsibility, which is that police, as a lead security agency, cannot abandon your duty posts and expect those who are not trained to do that job to come and do it for you. The other services are there to support us.